Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your daily spoken English class. Come on, wake up, start your day. Don't be lazy. See how beautiful the world is outside. Everything in nature is busy now. Everything in nature is perfectly disciplined and running on a perfect time schedule. It's your time for spoken English class. Spend a few minutes to improve your speech, your communicating skills. So you are welcome to my digital class, your spoken English class. Today I will read one interesting story and I will read it very slowly. I have not given the script today. Listen carefully and you can understand it. If you have the concentration and attention, if you have the mind and will, you will win. There will be no problem. Androcles and the Lion. Once there was a slave named Androcles who was cruelly treated by his master. When the opportunity came, he escaped to the forest. In his wanderings, he came upon a lion. His first instinct was to turn about and flee. Then he noticed that the lion seemed to be in great distress and was moaning and whimpering piteously. As the slave came near, the lion put out his paw, which was swollen and bleeding. A large thorn had penetrated one of the lion's toes, and this was the cause of all the animal's discomfort. Quickly, Androcles pulled out the thorn and bound up the wounded paw. To show his gratitude, the lion licked the man's hand like a dog, and then he led him to his cave for a shelter. Every day, after his wound had healed, he would go hunting in the forest and return with fresh meat for his master's refreshment. But one day, when Androcles and the lion went out together, they were both captured and taken to the city to be used in the circus. The slave was to be thrown to the lion after the animal had been kept without food for several days to make him more ferocious. The emperor and all his court came to the arena to view the spectacle. The despairing slave was unchained and led out into the amphitheater before the emperor's box. Then the lion was let loose and rushed bounding and roaring towards his victim. But as soon as he came near Androcles, he recognized his friend. And to the surprise of the audience, the lion seemed to fawn upon the slave, whom they had expected to see torn to shreds by the savage beast. Pleased by these unusual spectacles, the emperor summoned Androcles to him, and the slave told him the whole story. Thereupon the slave was pardoned and freed, and the lion set loose to return to his native forest. Gratitude is a quality not limited to man.